Hello students, welcome to SVM Library. Today let's continue with our topic tense. In previous class we have done present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. Now in continuity we start present perfect tense. At first, what is present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is a verb tense used to express actions that occurred at a non-specific time. The present perfect tense is also used to express action that started in the past but continue to the present. Format for the present perfect tense for affirmative sentences is subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object. See some examples. I have gone to school, you have gone to school, we have gone to school, they have gone to school. I, you, we, they are plural subject. That's why we use plural verb, helping verb as have. Further examples, he has gone to school, she has gone to school, Sam has gone to school. He, she and name of the person is singular subject. That's why we use singular helping verb as has. Some more examples. I have played football. You have played football. We have played football. They have played football. He has played football. She has played football. Sam has played football. Format for negative sentences in present perfect tense is subject plus has, have plus not plus third form of the verb plus object. See examples. I have not played football. You have not played football. We have not played football. They have not played football. He has not played football. She has not played football. Sam has not played football. For framing negative sentence, we use the negative word not with the helping verb has or have. Abbreviated form for have not and has not is haven't and hasn't. Format for the interrogative sentences in present perfect tense is has, have plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object. See examples. Have I played football? Have you played football? Have we played football? Have they played football? Has he played football? Has she played football? Has Sam played football? For framing interrogative sentence in present perfect tense, we use has and have as a question word. Reasons to use the present perfect tense. First reason, an action started in the past and continues to the present. For the same reason, we may use present perfect continuous for present perfect continuous tense. They have known each other since they were children. This is the example for that reason. This started in the past and is still true in present. Second reason, an action happened during a time period that has not yet finished in this month or year. For example, you have arrived late to work 3 times this month. Here, this month is not finished. Third reason, the action is more important than the time. For example, have you ever seen a ghost? Have you ever eaten frog? Have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever driven on a motorcycle? In all these sentences, action is more important than the time, and the word ever is key word in all these sentences. The words just, already and yet are often used with the present perfect tense. The present perfect can be used for an action that was recently finished. For example, I have just finished running. In this sentence, the word just is very common. Yet is used with the present perfect tense in negative statements and questions. For example, the mail has not arrived yet. In this example, not in the time between a past time and now. It should happen soon though. Already is used in positive statements when an action is completed before we expected. For example, I have already finished reviewing all the documents. Some extra information about the present perfect is the present perfect is not used with a specific time in the past unless the word since is used. For example, I have visited Paris. I have visited Paris last month. This is the incorrect sentence or format. I have played tennis. I have played tennis when I was a child. I have played tennis when I was a child is incorrect, and I have played tennis is correct format. When time is given for any past activity, we frame sentence is simple past tense, not in the perfect tense. I visited Paris last month is correct, and if we write I have visited Paris last month is incorrect. In the same manner, I have played tennis when I was a child is incorrect. And if we write I have played tennis since I was a child, we replace when with the use of since. With the use of since, this statement, this sentence is correct. Here are some more usage for the present perfect tense. First is things you have done in your life. For example, I have been to England. Second, number of times you have done something. For example, I have been to Paris 3 times. Third, recently completed actions which are important now. For example, I have already lost my job. Fourth, situations that started in the past and are still true. For example, I have known James for 4 or 5 years. Fifth one, present result. For example, John has just missed the bus, so he will be late. Sixth one, unfinished actions or situations. For example, I have lived here since 2004. Here are some adverbs, and these adverbs are mostly used in present perfect tense. These are just, already, yet, for, since, never, ever. Here are some keywords, and these keywords are mostly used in perfect tense. These are how long, for, since, all, recently. Examples: how long have you had your watch? How long have you known about it? We have known each other for 30 years. They have been married for 62 years. I have believed in God since I was young. I have had this car since I was 18. I have been ill all week. We have known each other all our lives. I have had a lot of headaches recently. Now we learn about present perfect continuous tense. First of all, what is present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. The present perfect continuous is formed using the construction has been, have been, plus the present participle that is verb plus ing. Format for affirmative sentences in present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has, have plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. See examples. I have been going to school, you have been going to school, we have been going to school, they have been going to school. I, you, we, they are plural subject. That's why we use have been as a plural verb. Further examples, he has been going to school, she has been going to school, Sam has been going to school. He, she and name of a person is a singular subject. That's why we use singular helping verb as has been. Some more example for affirmative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. I have been playing football. You have been playing football. We have been playing football. They have been playing football. He has been playing football. She has been playing football. Sam has been playing football. Format for the negative sentence is present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has not, have not plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. See example. They have not been playing football. Next example. Sam has not been playing football. I, you, we, they are plural subject. That's why we use have not been. And he, she, it, Sam are singular subject. That's why we use has not been. For framing negative form of the sentence in present perfect continuous, we use the negative verb not with the have or has. See some more example for negative sentences in perfect continuous tense. I have not been playing football. You have not been playing football. We have not been playing football. They have not been playing football. He has not been playing football. She has not been playing football. Sam has not been playing football. The abbreviated form of the have not and has not is haven't and hasn't. Format for the interrogative sentences in present perfect continuous tense is has, have plus subject plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. For example, have I been playing football? Have you been playing football? Have we been playing football? Have they been playing football? Has he been playing football? Has she been playing football? Has Sam been playing football? Usage for present perfect continuous tense is first one is long actions that started in the past and continue until now. For example, I have been living in Ireland for almost 4 years. Second use, recent actions that have clear evidence or results now. For example, her eyes are red because she has been crying all evening. Third use, typically used for shorter, more temporary situations. For example, have they been learning English this week? Here are some examples with the keywords. See, how long have you been waiting? How long have you been learning English? I have been driving for more than 20 years. It has been snowing for 3 hours. I have been cooking since I got home. I have been working there since I left school. You have been lying on the sofa all day. I have been looking for my keys all morning. I have been forgetting everything recently. All these are keywords in these sentences, and the main verb is active verb in present perfect continuous tense, and all these main verbs remain state verbs in present perfect tense. Here are some more usage for present perfect continuous tense with examples. We use the present perfect continuous to emphasize how long something has been going on. See example. How long have you been learning English? Second, we also use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that started in the past and are still continuing. For example, he has not been hiking since last year. They have been talking for the last hour. He has been surfing the net since 7 o'clock. Sophie has been teaching since October. Third, with the adverbs lately or recently, we use the present perfect continuous to talk about new developments which may be temporary. For example, Helen has been spending much money in clothes lately. They have been doing exercise recently. I have been working in pizzeria. What have you been doing lately? Fourth, we use the present perfect continuous to talk about a recent continuous activity when we can see the result. For example, she is thirsty, she has been running. It has been raining, so the pavement is wet. James is annoyed because he has been waiting a long time for Claire. She is very tired, she has been studying hard. With stative verbs, we can't use the present perfect continuous. Instead of using present perfect continuous with these verbs, you must use the present perfect tense. For example, Mark has had his car for 5 years. I have known the secret for a long time. Here is a practice exercise for you in homework. With this, we have completed the present tense. That's all for today. Thank you.